How do you deal with nerves in performance? Do you get nervous when you're performing, or just beforehand?
Yes, I do. I get nervous, yeah.
And what do you do to sort of calm your nerves?
So you can do breathing exercises to help you with your nerves, or you could use your nerves if it works with your character too. So sometimes if your character that's being introduced on stage is a nervous character, or you feel like those nerves will help you, then I think there's no reason why you shouldn't use those nerves up. Yeah.
So I do get nervous, I really do, and it's a feeling in your stomach which it's like butterflies are diving into a deep pit, and it's a really lovely feeling, and it's a scary feeling. But how I deal with it, I suppose I trust in the rehearsal, I trust in my team, the people I'm working with, and essentially I trust in everything that I've been working up to. And there is a thing of once you cross that barrier from the wings, for example, if you cross that barrier, and once the audience have set eyes on you, I know if I have my trust in my team and my cohort, that it'll be fine. That no matter what comes, no matter what happens, we will be able to work together in order to move forward and keep things going and keep things in light.